Hi, I'm Nancy Martinez. I'm the director of the Independent Retail Customer Channel and Marketing here at Len Busch Roses, and welcome to LBR Talks, where we talk about business and leadership nuggets that can elevate and enhance your business. So today I'm pretty excited about my conversation that I had with our lead designer, Georgia Edgington. Georgia has a very strong passion about an upcoming event called Petal It Forward, and you can feel it by listening to her. And she talks about why Petal It Forward is important and why community events in itself are important and how they can actually increase your customer base and elevate your business. So let's get to my conversation with Georgia. Hi, I'm Nancy Martinez, and welcome to LBR Talks, where we share nuggets on business and leadership to help you elevate and enhance your floral business. Today, I'm really excited to have Georgia Edgington here. Georgia is our lead designer here at Len Busch Roses. And Georgia, welcome.
Thank you. Thanks for having me. Yeah, first time. Thanks for having me, Nancy.
Yeah, you're welcome. And today, I'm excited because we're really going to talk about what you can do in your community and why that is important, not only to, I don't know about you, but anytime you do like a community outreach or do something, I mean, the work that goes into it, but then the feeling you get, right?
Yep,
afterwards.
absolutely.
It's a feel good for you as a person and as whoever you're outreaching
serving,
to, right?
Absolutely. It's a feel good, it's a win-win for everybody because you're doing something good for the community, but you're also promoting your business, and it's not exactly why we do those things, but
it's a result of it.
It's a result of it,
right? So it's an opportunity for you to bring joy, bring smiles to yourself, to people in your community, and as a result, it gives them an opportunity to learn more about what you do, what your business can offer, and create future or
more knowledge of your business, that your business is there. And
so
Petal It Forward is one of those opportunities.
Yeah, so very timely. I mean, it's coming up. We always know it's in October.
Yep, it's the third Wednesday in October.
But yet, here it is. Yeah. So we've been promoting Petal It Forward for how many years? 6 years. And a little nugget on what it is and why it's a great community outreach.
Exactly. Petal It Forward is an opportunity for you as a local business, as a florist, to take this day and petal it forward by giving out flowers. So the Society of American Florists came up with this about 6 or 7 years ago, and it was part of a movement that was happening in other countries in Europe. And we wanted to bring it to America, so the Society of American Florists undertook it. Petal It Forward is a way that you can go into your community and give 2 bouquets to random strangers, anybody on the street, and walking by, who comes into your store, whatever it is. But the object behind it is that you are giving them something free with no strings attached, flowers, which put a smile on everybody's face and in the hearts of everybody. We know that flowers have such an emotional connection.
Yeah.
Exactly. And the object is that you give 2 to this recipient, and then you ask them to petal it forward by giving 1 away to somebody they know, to a random stranger. It doesn't matter. And the magic behind this that we have seen over the last 6 years that I've participated here at Len Busch Roses has been absolutely amazing. The stories, I mean, I could just tear up right now thinking of the stories that I've heard and the people that have been touched and the timeliness of that. So it is a beautiful, beautiful organization and a beautiful movement that happens at the same time across the U.S. and across the world on the third Wednesday of October, which is what, the 20th this year?
It's the 20th of October. Yeah.
And approximately the same time, regardless, of all these different time zones that we're in having this happen. But it's a great opportunity to be part of something that is so beautiful and so magical, and as you can tell, my heart is totally behind it. And at the same time, what an amazing business opportunity for you to get out there and shine with your business and show your business off.
Yeah, so just to like unravel that a little bit more, the recipient gets the joy of receiving a flower, but then also gets an opportunity to feel how it is to give, right? So it's magical both ways.
Yes,
it really is. And I think it just reinforces to people why flowers are so important, and the gesture that it does, it can go a long way, right?
Exactly. So you are, like Nancy said, you did it perfectly. You are giving flowers away, and that it creates an emotion of joy within you. And the person receiving is receiving so much joy, and then they pass on their second bouquet. It just keeps going. And at the same time, then these recipients and the recipients of the recipients are going, oh my gosh, the power of giving flowers. And guess what they want to do? Do it again.
They're going to come back.
They're going to come back to your flower shop because they want to do it again. And they want to feel that joy of even maybe doing it for themselves. And then while they're there, oh my goodness, I am going to do something for grandma. I'm going to do something for my next door neighbor. So that's part of it. It's not just simply about giving flowers away on that one day. It is about a business opportunity, a growth opportunity, but creating that emotion within people that is so powerful that it's going to get them wanting to come back and do it again and again and repeat customer.
That's great.
Yeah.
We'll go deeper into community and how to engage more, but let's just talk, since we're talking about Petal It Forward, October 20th, and how do people get involved and how can we support them?
Sure. So the Society of American Florists, if you go to their website, so societyofamericanflorists.com or saf.com, or .org. Yes, you are right. I'm sorry. So societyofamericanflorists.org. Yep, we're going to have it in the link because I misspoke. You go to that website, and whether you are a member or not, you will still have access to the resources that will help you be able to plan a very successful Petal It Forward. So including press releases and logos, if you want to have stickers printed to put on their bouquets that promote your shop and what Petal It Forward is about, to t-shirt logos that you can have, go to a local business, tell them what you're doing, and have some t-shirts printed for the people who are part of your giveaway campaign.
And do they encourage you to register too? Because they kind of want to know how impactful it is across the country.
That is number one, is registering. So want to register your shop. And whether you are a member of SAF or not, you can do that and participate in this manner. If you want to become a member of SAF, Society of American Florists, you can do that as well through the website. So there's a link for that to become a member, and that'll talk you through that as well. But you don't have to be a member to participate in Petal It Forward.
And then what do we as LBR do then to support our customers?
We will be providing bouquets, small bouquets. As everybody knows, right now getting flowers is difficult.
And it's a real nominal charge. I mean, they're little,
a couple stems,
affordable.
Yes, a couple of stems of whatever is available at that time is what we will be packaging for our customers to be able to use to make it easier for you to have a successful campaign. And our customers, they can order them directly through their sales representative. We will be putting the item code for that on this as well, on this little clip. Call your sales rep and get them on order as well, because we're limited just because of what's happening in our world, and getting flowers has been a challenge.
Yeah, the supply is really tight, but yet our vendors are really pulling together and getting us as many stems as we can for this event.
They are.
But it's, like you said, it's a tight market, so if you want to be involved, honestly, this is one of those things where you just really want to get your order in.
Right, you want to get that order in very, very quickly, yes, Nancy.
Okay, very good. Okay. Yeah. And how can we be more successful at this community event? What are things that we can do within our community to let maybe other business people know, the city, things like that? What have you seen?
You want to go to your city. And you want to let them know what you're doing, because if you're going to be, some cities are a little bit different about that, and if you're going to be walking the streets and handing things out, they just want to be aware of what's happening. So letting them know. And the cool thing is that I've seen through the years, there have been mayors who have partnered alongside of businesses, flower shops, and have said, hey, can I come that day and help give out flowers? So chamber members of your local chamber of commerce, I've seen that happen through the years. Really, really a neat way to do it.
Sounds like a really great publicity event.
It's a great publicity event.
More exposure.
Awareness of local businesses. But then, like I said, go to a local t-shirt shop, go to a local sticker shop, have these things printed, let them know what you're doing, maybe give them a bouquet that day and say, well, Pedaling It Forward, here's 2 bouquets, you give one away today, and thank you for your support in this and helping make this come together. So having those t-shirts to identify you is actually really important, I think. Or maybe go with a certain color scheme that day, or wear a t-shirt that is appropriate for your shop, whatever you want. But set yourself aside that day would be a great way to let that happen. Press releases on the website for SAF. They have sample press releases that you can use.
Insert name.
Exactly. Insert name, insert testimonial if you want. Get that into your local newspapers. And you want to do it now. Now is the time to do that. You want to give them enough time to prep and to think ahead, especially when it comes to your local media stations. They're already planning out what they're doing in a month, and unless surprise things come up in your community where they've all of a sudden got to change their plan, but you want to be on their calendar and get out there with them. So get those press releases out. Look at your local media. Look at TV stations in the area. All newspapers, local write-ups, whatever it is, make sure you're getting those press releases out. You can even take those press releases and create something that would talk about Petal It Forward and go post it in local shops and have your floral shop name on that you are participating in this. Letting the businesses know around you that you're participating on that. Invite them to join you. This is a great way, again, to promote your shop. And when you do that, what do? Take 2 small bouquets, give it away, explain what Petal It Forward is. Prior to this, again, you're creating awareness of your flower shop being there and your flower shop being part of the community, and that you are reaching out into the community. So this is a great opportunity for you to continue to grow your business and promote your business in a positive, beautiful way that you are giving out to the community that day.
And I thank you. You've said everything so well. And I think the great thing about Petal It Forward is it's all laid out for you.
It is.
So, I mean, if you've ever wanted to do something to engage your community, but you're like, where do I start? Seriously, go to saf.org and they have all the tools for you. We have the product available for you. And then really it's just getting your team together or whoever and have a great time passing out flowers to your community.
It's a beautiful event, and it comes from the hearts. I truly believe that we should live our life every day in a Petal It Forward type of way, whether it's flowers or not. And it comes from the heart that we, especially through the last 18 months or almost 20 months that we've been going through what we've been going through with COVID. I didn't want to say the yucky C word. But this is just a beautiful way to continue to bless those around you, and at the same time, you're really bringing awareness to your business, and what a great opportunity to show that your business cares about the community.
That's great. Well, thank you, Georgia. I really appreciate it. You were just the perfect person to have come talk about community events, because I do know how near and dear this particular one is to you, and you've really engaged our company in it over the years. So thank you, and thank you all for joining. I encourage you, if you've always wanted to maybe get out there or had a desire to do Petal It Forward in the past and haven't, then this is your year. I mean, I think more than ever, I mean, it was great last year. I think we saw a lot of people, during the pandemic really appreciate it, and I think coming out of it, it's still such a need. So encourage you to go for it.
Absolutely.
All right. Thank you for joining us.
And Nancy, in true Petal It Forward fashion,
yes,
here you go. One for you And you have to give one away today to somebody.
Oh, I am so excited.
Petal it forward, Nancy. Make somebody say.
I will. I will be with my sisters, and this will bring them joy.
Perfect.
Oh,
enjoy it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It works.
Yay!
All right, that was so great. I told you would feel the passion that Georgia has, and she just exudes it when she talks about this event. So I hope that you gained some information about not only the event, but about what community outreach or community events can do for your business. So with that, I like quotes, and the quote today actually comes from Gandhi, and he says, "In a gentle way, you can shake the world." And I love that because I really feel like community events, Petal It Forward, can really shake your community, and you can help do that. So take that with you. We'll have a download for you on that. You can post it and just get yourself motivated for you engaging in this upcoming event. All right, until then, you guys have a wonderful time, and thanks for joining.